Welcome to Digital Investment. So today I wanted to give a sorry, this is very late earnings. I couldn't record tomorrow yesterday because considering I was little busy yesterday, so decided to drop a video today. Anyway, I'm not getting any views, but I'm still trying. I have this analogy that much rather be wrong than. I much rather be wrong and try rather than be being correct and not try. So I will upload till I'll die trying. That is my mindset right now. So this is my Dr. Reddy's earning. The earnings wasn't that quite good. I was expecting this perfectly. However, year to year, the revenue you can see it has increased. But profit has slightly dipped. Revenue quarter to quarter it was bad. Quarter to quarter it was bad, but year to see the recent dip in this quarter, it is quite sad. It is quite worrying sense, but this is an exciting opportunity because Dr. Reddy is a machine. It's one of the best pharma companies in the world, in India. I don't know, I'm sure about the world. Still his fundamentals are fantastic. However, when you look at the however, I just wanted to point out this. All this uncertainty, with Trump's tariff, that was the main reason why the earnings were very bad. Earnings were very bad this quarter with Dr. Reddy Laboratory. However, you look at its like look at this. It's attacking Novodoris now. Dr. Reddy is taking over. Look at how much expansion is doing in US. Is actively expanding in global business in US, UK, and Turkey. Why? Maybe because here is my analysis. Now, a lot of companies are now a bit hesitant to enter into the US. That is why this quarter. IT services has taken a very big hit this year, this FY26, and pharma, agriculture all got affected very badly. However, I'm seeing Dr. Reddy is still going after US. Is capturing more market share in the US. Uh, because I think they are being opportunistic here. They want to attack when everyone, it's like in the stock market, buy when there's fear in the market. Same way, I see Dr. Reddy is doing the same thing. They are actively expanding in the US, even though there is still uncertainty about tariff. So they're like, they also have the same mindset as me. Much rather try and be wrong than being not right and much than being right and not trying. Like I'm sure. What about Marksons? I think when Marksons is doing the Marksons Pharma is doing the same thing as well. They are also get expanding their business or what. I had to do a bit analysis on that how they're doing. So this is my analysis on Dr. Reddy. They're still progressing into the US market. They're taking this as an opportunity. Coming to my favorite stock to short, Eternal. Where is my boy? Eternal, if I can. Yeah, Eternal, you see very good earnings, right? Very good earnings. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this earnings. Look at this profits. Wow, fantastic. Now coming to the main picture. Are these the real earnings? Be honest with y'all. Are these real earnings? I'll open the Q3. आज क्या खाओगे आज क्या कहाँ I'll open that. This is interesting. So I got stuck in that. You look at that. Where is it? Where is it? Is it consolidated? Yes. Eternal is eternal. Mm-mm. You're not opening. Yeah. Look at this, very fantastic, right? Look at how much was this? It's from the investments. How much of the from investment they earn this income? It's completely from investments. From deposit, real estate, stocks, go stocks. Is completely on that. And you look at his cash flow from operating activity, it is still deteriorating at a faster pace. There is no sign of improvement of cash flow from operating activity. Yet the company is trading at 1500 valuation, and it still it yesterday it still gained an insane push, and still market is still seeing this as an opportunity. you know this crash may be due to that. It's not Dipinder Goyal exiting. That is, this may be due to that, but Dipinder Goyal exiting is very common, and it's very common that founder exiting the business. That is not. I'm not surprised about this earning. What I'm surprised about the earning is still why is still an insane buying pressure going around at this insane valuation when they're still struggling to keep cash into the business. Still the cash flow from operating activity. Look at this, from main operation, how much cash flow they earn. It's very bad. But these are all from the investments that you see. These are all from the invest. This is a pen. Yeah, I, this is the first time trying. These are all the investments still here. These are all the investments they are earning. It's full are from the investments they have made. Like I said, they are not really profitable yet. Everything they made is showing as a unrealized gains. They're investing in stocks, they're investing in bonds, they're investing in a lot of things. Startups, stocks, real estate, and that FDs. The main is in FD, and that they're showing as an unrealized gains rate, which is very surprising. Which is very surprising to see, even with this bad cash flow from operating activities. You know, uh, cash from main business. Even with this bad cash from main business, company is still gaining this much buying pressure. And even though they're profitable, they are not really profitable. Understand this, they are not profitable yet. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.